Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to calculate mean value in Excel. Open your Excel document to see the data to be calculated. Select a cell, there, enter the equal sign, then the average function and select the range of data to be calculated. When you press enter, you will see the average of the range you used. Finally, you can drag this cell to another to copy the formula. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.